Our industry, energy, has been going through the transformation very fast. And we have to work with external startups and other companies through this platform to really help us look into the future and get prepared.
Welcome to Plug and Play Tech Center. We're launching the Energy and Sustainability Innovation Program to bring innovation to the energy sector.
It's really energizing to see so many faces here representing innovation. Just 5 years ago, our industry was focused on big generation, pushing electrons through big wires down to customers who are passive users of electricity. Today, that's all changed.
The way how we generate, the way how we use, the complexity of the whole energy system will change dramatically.
It's a lot going on in the energy industry right now. So startups are very important for us because we don't need to develop everything by ourselves. It was in the past is behind us. Now we have to look forward and to see how we can innovate faster.
Our mission is to bridge the gap between startups and corporations to help the energy sector digitally transform.
Adara makes energy storage control systems. The event here today is a great example of Plug and Play facilitating some of the leading investors in our space and giving us a forum to get our word out directly to them.
We are an oil and gas technology company. Plug and Play is an outstanding opportunity for us because there's not a real deep oil and gas community here in the San Francisco Bay Area. So having the opportunity to network with other startups that are also trying to address the oil and gas space and try to learn from each other along the way has been extremely valuable.
We are an energy efficiency company that connects to legacy HVAC control systems, and we make operating buildings more efficient. It was a good opportunity for us to meet potential investors and get our brand awareness out there.
Our business is refinery and the gas station. We diversify the business and we come here to invest in startup.
I'm very proud to be part of the journey because I think it's one world we live in and it's really, we have to protect it.
We've started our conversations and started applications from the interested business to join our innovation platform here in Silicon Valley. I look forward to working with you to help make your successful business happen.